Good afternoon, dear students. I'm Meenakshi, head of SM School of New Age Learning and a passionate Vedic Maths tutor. Here, I introduce a new concept for class 3 and above students. And this can be specifically said class 3 to 5. I'm also ready to take the offline tuitions for you all. If interested, you can contact me on this contact number. Okay. So this is my email ID. Now, you all know that mathematics is a very huge thing, and you are all afraid that the calculations become wrong when we go ahead. No problem. We can hiddenly apply your Vedic maths concept in your mathematics concept and find out the easiest way of answering. Now, let me take you to that. Let me just explain how Vedic maths removes the phobia of mathematics. Now we are going to multiplication techniques and how to add the numbers in this multiplication technique. There's a simple technique to add. You need not go to any carryover or you need not do any other mind calculation, nothing. You just need to apply the multiplication technique and the thumb rule method while adding. So you should all be verifying what is the thumb rule method. Come on, no problem. We will see the things, how to go ahead. Okay. Now, for example, let us consider the number 65. When you multiply by 5, what happens is 5 5s are 25. In a hurry, this multiplication goes wrong as in when the number of digits increases. Okay. So 5 6 are 30 plus 2 is 32. This is your normal multiplication technique. In your Vedic maths multiplication, what happens is 5 5s are 25. Multiply this, 5 5s are 25. Multiply this, 5 6 are 30 separately. Now, you can add this 2 to this 30. This is called thumb rule method. Adding 2 to this 30 is from right to left is called thumb rule method. So, you get 30 plus 2 is 32. So, 65 into 5 is 325. Now, let me compare with a bigger number. Now, we have some digits, say 455 into 455 into 7. Now, what do we do in normal multiplication technique? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3. What you kids do is you add like this, right? 35 plus 3 after 35, 36, 37, 38, right? You multiply like this and you add like this, right? 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So the same technique you use. But whereas in Vedic maths, what happens is 455 into 7. Okay, 1 minute. 455 into 7. So you just multiply each number individually. So 5 into 7 is 35. Again 5 into 7 is 35. Again 7 into 4 is 28. So now what you can do is you can add the numbers individually. So using the thumb rule method, I add 35 plus 3. I add this 3 to this 35, so it becomes 38. Now again using the thumb rule technique, I add this 3 to this 28. So 28 plus 3 becomes 31. So the answer becomes, on the whole, the answer becomes 3, 1. You write this 8 here and you write this 5 here. Yes? Okay. Now, Now let me directly go and teach with Vedic maths method. Two sums are over with comparison. Now let me do the third sum. See here, 1785 into 8. So 8 5s are 40. Write this 40 here. 8 8s are 64. 8 7s are 56. 8 1s are 8. Now, using the thumb rule method, this 4 becomes a carryover to the 64. So you add this 4 to the 64, this becomes 68. Now, using your thumb rule method again, this 6 becomes a carryover to this 56. So adding 6 with 56 gives you 62. Next. Now this 6 becomes the carryover to this 8. So it becomes 8 plus 6 is 14. So on the whole, your answer becomes 14. And this 2 is here. This 8, you have to write it here. This 0, you should write it here. So on the whole, your answer becomes 14,280. I hope it's clear for you. Let me give one sum for you to try. Please try the sum and put your answers in the comment box. Okay, the sum is 525 into 6. So please share your answers in the comment box. Let me see how many of you shared. I'll just take over for the day. Thank you all for learning this new concept. See you all in the next video for a new concept. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. So if you're all interested, there is a registration form in the description link. You can go ahead and register for a demo class. If you're satisfied with the demo class, you can definitely enroll yourself. There is a special Diwali offer. Per level, there is a special discount on the amount. So you can register for the actual classes, and I'll complete the level 1 within 3 months. Subsequently, the level 2 will be there. So go ahead and register yourself. Vedic Maths removes the phobia of mathematics. You can calculate the answers accurately without any mistake. And if you have the interest, and if you don't have the fear, and when your love to mathematics and the fun towards the mathematics gets multiplied, putting all these together is your mathematics. So don't worry. So there is no phobia when you learn the Vedic mathematics. All the best.